Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Light Path. I am Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. Topic is whole new world tips. Global world is facing global economic disaster and needs a global revolution. It is not the wealth, gold, silver, or power which can save the global world. Allah sees Qarun, Pharaoh, Haman, and many more for their crimes against humanity, and nothing could save them, not even their wealth, power, or people. The world didn't end there, but it redeveloped after a great revolution. Those who have never faced poverty may never understand its solution unless they have really taken guidance from the Quran. It is 100% guaranteed to save the world and to help build our global world if we truly apply the guidance from the Quran. We can redevelop the world through our great revolution. In simple terms, no changes without actions. It is time now to open our eyes and correct ourselves to serve humanity in a revolutionized way in the light of Quran, in which all, including rich and poor, can live safe and sound. Since the Quran gives true revolutionized guidance to fix the global system to save humanity in a balanced way. Keep in mind, no customer, no businesses. More customers, more businesses. Good customers, good businesses. Healthy customers, healthy businesses. And customers are people. And by saving people, we are saving the businesses. For better services to customers, we need better healthy employee, which means better benefits for employee, not benefit cuts, job cuts. By laying off employees means increase in poverty and also increase in crime. Below are the tips. Tips 1. Convert all currencies into virtual gold as a single global currency. Remember, you cannot buy whole world from gold since it is a little tiny part of the global world and it is just a reference point. And unlimited virtual gold, a new currency. Freeze. Tip 2. Freeze all thing all things which are unbalancing the global world, keeping in mind how much is too much. Interest-based system, supply-demand system, alcohol supply, all kinds of drugs, intoxicants, gambling, overspending, stocking of wealth, which includes foods, currency, and other strains. Tip 3, reanalyze each and everything to bring global stability in a nice way. We already have over 100 years of data and modern tools as great asset to start with. Tip 4, food should be supplied in a balanced way. Make sure no one is dying of hunger. Step 5, healthcare benefits should be available in a balanced way. Make sure no one is without required health. Tip 6, present increase in salary must be changed in with a balanced system since percent increase is one of the cause to increase the gap between rich and poor. Tip 7, loans must be avoided as much as possible. Tip number 8, educate all for free, including hands-on training, to build a whole new world, heavenly earth. Make sure all education is one global standard, regardless of any discrimination. Our kids needs debt-free education. They should be treated like a newborn during their studies. Tip number 9, finally start working on cosmetics and beauty to build our whole new world, heavenly earth. Tip 10, media must play an active role in promoting all the above to build whole new world, heavenly earth. World has enough to feed, but not greed. Locally, I'm sorry, globally, yes, we can fix global system with 100% guaranteed, inshallah, by God willing. Thinking locally while living in global world will not save our global world. Repeatedly relying on same corrupt or incompetent person will not change the fortune of a nation. Do not even think to reappoint those who were failed to protect the corruption in the land. Thank you.